Hi, my name is Louise Minett-Vokes and I am Merthyr Tydfil County Borough Council's Cabinet Member for Social Care, Health and Youth Participation. I've been a councillor since 2022 and I'm a ward member for the Park Ward, where I've lived my whole life and currently live with my wonderful family. Within my portfolio area, we cover adult and children's social services, prevention, safeguarding, children looked after, fostering and adoption, tackling poverty, youth services, supported housing, residential services, day services and older people and disability. I'm here today at Cyfarfod Greenhouses, which is part of our adult day service offer. As you can imagine, this is a very busy portfolio as we provide services from pre-birth to older age. We want to empower people to live independently within their communities, where they are safe and enjoy good physical and mental health. We are committed to ensuring early intervention and prevention, providing the right support at the right time to children and adults within Merthyr Tydfil. There are some key changes within the service at present, with the introduction of Connecting Care, a new social services database which is in the process of development and implementation over the next 12 months. It is an ambitious digital programme which aims to integrate information across health and social care services. Through the regional partnership, we're developing ways of joined up working across adult services and health with a view to providing a more seamless system in the future. Also, the not-for-profit agenda. This is a Welsh Government programme to remove private profit from the care of children looked after. As a result, we've worked hard and continue to develop models of service delivery such as foster Wales, special guardianship support and building our own residential provision. Becoming a councillor was something that was never on my radar, but after working with people in frontline services who are directly affected by decisions at local and national level, I thought rather than challenge from the outside, becoming elected would enable me to be more involved in those decisions and to advocate the needs of people that are directly affected by them. My goal is to continue to be a voice and make a difference for the people of Merthyr Tydfil.